because all the dishes I need are dirty. Ah! Okay, same recipe as before, only I'm going to change it up a bit. 2 eggs. I'm going to put in a full cup of water because I'm going to be adding an extra dry ingredient. I wonder if I should put in a little more. Put in an extra 1/4 cup. Swinging this, these come out too wet, so be it. Okay, that's water, now oil. 3/4 cup of oil. Ah, I don't got it. Uh-oh. What if I can use olive oil? Yes, you can use olive oil instead of vegetable oil in most recipes, but it depends on the flavor and cooking method you want. Olive oil has a distinct flavor, so it's best to use it when you want that flavor in your dish. Since I have no choice, I got 50-50 olive and vegetable oil. Oh, 1/4 water. Oh my God. Oh, I wrecked this. I put in a full extra cup of water. I didn't mean to do that. Oh well. This may be more cake than cookie. And what do I care? Once again, gluten-free yellow cake. And this time I did get the vanilla as opposed to the French vanilla. And we're going to add a cup of sugar. Yeah, this is going to be pretty wet. So this, man, I thought it had wanted 1/2 cup of water. It only wanted a 1/4 cup. So this is going to be more cake than bar. So this is, the interesting thing on this is going to be how long to cook it. And boom. Obviously that was easier to mix. Chew. Okay, and we spray a little stuff and turn the oven on to preheat. 350 for 25 minutes. And remember last time it just plopped into there? Okay, oven's ready. I don't know if you heard that tiny little beep it makes. And into the oven. Down the lower rack. We'll check that in 24 minutes and see what happens. Whoa! That thing has fluffed up. And it doesn't look anywhere near like it's going to be done. We're going to have to do a toothpick test. Can you even hear that? Does that even come out? Wow. Whoa, yeah. That's still a lot of liquid in there. We'll give it another 25. I mean, I don't know if you saw it. It was wobbling. It's clearly still quite liquid. I might have wrecked that totally. I don't know. 25 minutes later. Oh, looking a little browner. That's looking better. And not wobbling. So I've done this for a total of 50 minutes. And you see it's dropped in the middle. Okay, I'm going to give it another 10. I'm not good at that toothpick test in that middle. I just think that needs some more. Because again, remember this is supposed to be in a 9x13 pan, and I'm in a 9x9. It might even be an 8x8. I don't know. Okay, let's see what's this happening, looking like. And I'll tell you, it is smelling real good. Well, that feels better. I'm going to do 10 more. Okay, just finished up. Okay, that's feeling more solid. I'm happy with that. I'll take it out of there. Go this way. Okay, can't lift them out. Ah. Now keep in mind I did wreck this by putting in way too much water. Yeah, it's just ripping it apart. Okay, so we're going to leave it there. We'll let it cool in the pan, which is going to take a while. Ripping it apart, trying to take it out of there. Oh, okay, also I got stuff coming out of the center that's clearly not cooked. Okay, now what do I do? Oh man. If there's a way to mess it up, baby. That was clearly the little sample I got. Ooh, it's clearly not done. So, 10 more? Yeah, 10 more. Oops, I went and got distracted and didn't hear that useless alarm. It's been in there a little more than 10. Let's see what we got now. I think that's good. I'm going to go with that. Let that cool off. I don't know how I'm going to get it out of there. I don't know if I'm going to get it out of there, because I think it has a disconnect in the middle of it. But it's smelling delicious, and that little bit that I tasted last time, oh man, was it good. And it hung in my mouth and just got better and better as time went on. So I think this is great, but clearly I put too much water in there, so I had to cook it too much. And it's not a bar, it's more of a cake. It's probably going to be a thick type of cake, but I think it's going to be delicious. So we'll pick it up when this cools off enough. It's 2 a.m. now. I don't know if I'll be eating that tonight. Alright. It's about 3:30, and we're going to take a look at this. Oh my God, it's still warm? I can't believe that. Wow! I mean, it's still actually hot. She still don't want to come out. Whoop! Well, it looks like the bottom has been burned. And it's kind of falling apart. Let's see what that. Well, one thing I thought of was next time I gotta remember to put parchment paper down in the pan. And that would eliminate that problem of getting out of the pan. Okay, well, obviously I did burn the bottom. Yeah, a little charred. A lot of chocolate chips in there. There's your cakey texture. Oh, wow. Still battery in the middle. So this was just too damn thick. It dawned on me as I was lying there, I should have just put half the batter in. Yeah, the whole middle is undercooked. And that's on the corner. In the middle it's going to be wow. But definitely tasty. I like it much better than the last batch. If I hadn't messed up with the water, and if I cooked it half the batch at a time in the smaller pan, I think this would be good. I got 2 eggs left. I'll try it again. Oh, nice chew to it. That's good.